Change your life. Discover the hidden power of your subconscious mind. Tired of living in the same routine? Do you feel that your mind sabotages you and prevents you from achieving your dreams? You are not alone. Negativity is programmed into our subconscious, but neuroscience expert Joe Dispenza reveals how to reprogram it and create the life you really want. Forget superficial positive thinking. It takes discipline and patience to train your mind and create new habits. Every day, remember who you don't want to be and who you want to be. Reprogram your subconscious to attract happiness, success, and health. It's not magic, it's science. With every positive thought and every focused action, you are creating a new version of yourself. Joe Dispenza guides you on this path of transformation. Don't miss this life-changing video. If we can teach the body to trust the future and live in joy, we create new connections. But it takes discipline. Want to change your life for the better? Then listen to this. Simple positive thinking doesn't work because negativity is installed in the subconscious, as Joe Dispenza reminds us. But how can we actually make this change? It requires more than just thinking positive. It requires discipline and patience. Picture this. When you decide to go to the gym for the first time, do you expect to have a perfect body the next day? Of course you don't. The same goes for mind control. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and constant effort. Joe Dispenza tells us that every day we must remind ourselves who we don't want to be and who we want to be. In doing so, we are training our subconscious mind to create new habits and thought patterns. This is not magic, it is science. The power of the subconscious mind is real, but we need to learn how to use it. So, if you want to change your life, remember, discipline and patience are your allies. Don't give in to old beliefs that try to sabotage your progress. With every positive thought and every focused action, you are strengthening the circuits in your brain toward a new and better version of yourself. Joe Dispenza says, if you remind yourself every day who you no longer want to be and who you want to be, the more you think about it and the more you plan for it, the more you are installing the circuits in the brain. He concludes, we all have a power, which is the power of the subconscious mind. But you have to learn how to use it. The power of healing is the power of the subconscious mind.